Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss different units or measurements that are used in CSS. Where we are using measurements, suppose font size, we are given some measurement, width, we are given some measurement, height, we are given some measurements. There we are using different. Anyway, CSS supports a multiple number of measurements like absolute unit, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, as well as relative measures, percentages, EMs, multiple types of measurements are supported by CSS. Anyway, we will discuss each and everything with an example. The first type of measurement is EM. Simply, it specifies the height of the elements font. Height of the elements font. Generally, it is used in typography. It is equal to font size. Now, I will take one example and explain the differences among different measurements. Okay. Now, first to write down one style tag, style type is equal to text or CSS. Okay. Within the style tag, write any one selector. Suppose P is my selector. Here I am applying font size. Just for understanding, I used font size. What is the first one? EM. The first type of measurement is EM. Here, write P tag. Welcome to CSS. Close. Now, save the path. Sorry, copy the path. Paste here. See, this is welcome to CSS. If you apply 4 EMs, this property is applied like this. Okay. Now, the next type of measurement is EX. Here, X specifies the height of the letter. X specifies the height of the letter. Now, see, here simply I am changing EX. Here I am changing into EX. Save. Observe, this is EM. Now I am going to refresh. Observe, the height of the letter is also changed. The height of the letter is also changed, and observe the font. Observe the font. Next one, PX, pixel, the smallest unit in an image or everything, that is the pixel. So it is mainly related to the canvas where we are going to print the output. Now change this one to some 4 pixel. Observe, it is not visible. Pixel is the very smallest point. Now refresh. See, it is not visible. So I am changed to, instead of 4 pixel, I am given 30 pixel. Now this is some readable format. Are you observe the things? So pixel is the smallest. Like I given 4EX, the text is visible. The text is visible. But here, see, I need to increase. Now, the next type of measurement is IN. IN specifies inches. IN specifies inches. So here, no need to give 30 inches. Inches means very large. Give some 2 inches. Give some 2 inches. Refresh. See, even 2 inches also, this much text is available. Simply, instead of 2 inches, give 1 inch. Now, refresh. This is a message of 1 inch. This is message of 1 inch. Remember, not only this font size, different options are there. Suppose word spacing is there. That is the space between the words. Here the space between the words I will give 1 inch. Refresh. Observe, welcome to space 1 inch. The space is reduced. The space is reduced. Now zoom is 100%. Now observe, this is inches. The next type of measurement is centimeters. Actually, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now, give some 10 centimeters. Give some 10 centimeters. See, this is the measurement of 10 centimeters. Now, I will change into some 4 centimeters. Anyway, I am not using this one. Even though you are using, not a problem. Applying font size 4 centimeters. See, this is 4 centimeters. Once 4 centimeters is completed in the same fashion, you can apply millimeters also. You can apply millimeters also. Now, 4 millimeters. This is the size of millimeter. Millimeter is very smallest size. Millimeter is very smallest size. The next measurement is millimeters pt. So it is simply understand 1 by 72 times of an inch. 1 by 72 times of an inch. That is, that's a very smallest point. Generally, this also very smallest point. For example, some 20 pt. 20 points. Refresh. This is 20 points size text. This is 20 point size text. The next one is PC, Picas. 1 Picas is equal to 12 points. 1 Picas is equal to 12 points. For example, here 2 PC in the sense the size is equal to 24 points. Observe here the size is increased a lot. Observe. Okay, previously 1 pt, now this becomes 2 picas. In the sense, 1 picas is equal to 12 points. In the sense, 2 picas is equal to 24 points. And the next one is percentage. This is the also very important. Remember, the percentage relative to another value. What is the meaning of this one? Suppose the font size is some 20%. See, this is 20% only. Now, the font size is some 70%. 70% of the screen. That is whatever it wants to occupy, that is 100%. In that one, only 70% is occupied. Only 70% is occupied. Clear? Now, what we discussed up to now? We discussed different types of measurements. Remember, just to, for example, I used font size. Suppose you are given width 100 pixel, width 200 pixel, height to 100 picas, height to 200 picas. So, depending on your requirement, you can apply either EM, EX, PT, pixel, picas, inches, centimeters, millimeters, percentage. Like this, you can apply any type of measurements according to our requirements. These are the different CSS units. Thank you.